Welcome to part 2 of the triangular origami gift box. Many of the folds in this video will be similar to those in part 1. Let's get started. Start by flipping your paper on the wrong side. Draw a diagonal line from one corner to the next. Repeat on the other side, but only mark the center point as shown. Fold along the diagonal, but only crease the corners. Unfold and position your paper so it's in the shape of a diamond. Remember this position as we'll come back to it later. Take the bottom of your diamond and fold it upwards slightly past the center point. Crease in place. Fold the right edge to meet the edge of the previous fold. Unlike in part 1, these two edges will not line up exactly. That's okay. Fold the bottom point upwards to meet the edge of the last fold. Crease your fold in place. Unfold and reorient your paper into the diamond position we mentioned earlier. Fold the bottom right point of the crease created by the triangle up to the point indicated by the pencil mark. Crease in place. Fold the right edge of the paper to meet the right edge of the triangle. Unfold and repeat on the other side. Unfold and fold each flap in half. Unfold the flaps. Fold the top of the triangle backwards towards the bottom. We then want to fold each edge inward to create a very sharp crease. Unfold all your creases and make sure your paper is in the diamond position. Reverse fold the top corner and then fold the remaining flap inwards. Pinch and flatten your folds to achieve nice, sharp edges. Rotate your paper so your triangle is now facing downwards. Reverse fold each side and again fold the flap over, but this time you're going to tuck it into the base of the box. This will take a little bit of wiggling and jiggling to get it in place. Pinch your edges to sharpen the corners, and you have completed the lid for your origami box. Thanks for watching. For more beautiful crafts, check us out at craftyourbeautiful.com, where we inspire your beautiful one craft at a time.